Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And your external hard disk, pen drive, any drive is if you are not detecting your system, your laptop and desktop. So first method, you have to connect another system, another computer. Okay, and if you have a OTG, so you can connect for checking purpose to your mobile. Okay, okay. Then second method, right click and click on device manager. Then extract disk drives, select, right click, update, search automatic update driver, and then close it. Then this is also close. Then second method, right click, go to disk management. Okay, now you can see this is one hard disk only. Okay, this is CD-ROM, and this is show its partitions. Okay, so that's mean it is not detecting. Next solution, then open file manager, Windows Explorer. So this is a external hard disk, and just right click and click on property, then click on tool. Okay, in the tool this is error checking, so click on check, and after that click on scan. After that it is done, and then close it. Next, click on start and type cmd, run as administrator, right click and click on yes for administrator rights, and then type chk dsk space x slash f, and then hit enter. Okay, then it is close it. Then next method, and after that restart. Thank you so much. Then next
Then guys,
method,
next method,
click on start,
click
type
start,
cmd,
type
right click,
cmd, and
run
right click
as
to run
administrator,
as
then click yes
administrator.
for administrator rights. So this four command enter one by one. So first copy, and this all command I will give in description so you can easily use. If you are unable to copy, so you have to type in manually. So this is f sfc scanner, scan now, and it will take some time and depend about your system configurations and your issues. Okay, yeah, so it will complete it, then restart, and then checked.